Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll explain how to trade outside regular hours using the Interactive Brokers web portal. If you are new to this topic, please check out this video at the top right and in the description for more details. Let's first log in to the Interactive Brokers portal. Go to the IBKR website, click on Login, Portal Login, and then click on Trade, and after that click on Order Ticket. Let's have a look at the Realty Income stock as an example of how to trade outside hours. Above the chart you can see several icons that give information about this specific stock. If you click on it, you can see that this stock supports US overnight trading, meaning you can place orders outside regular trading hours. Below the chart you will find options to buy and sell this stock, and you have to pay attention to Time-In-Force and outside the regular trading hours. Use Time-In-Force for scheduling and enable outside trading hours, but always make sure that you understand the risks. If you like to get a better understanding of these risks, check out the suggested videos or browse my channel for specific videos on this topic. That's it. For mobile trading on Interactive Broker or more tips, check out my other videos. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. See you in the next one.